Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Today is a very exciting day because we get to do some more work on the S14, and as you guys would have already seen, we've been doing a lot of prep work on paint and just all the boring stuff. But today, Nathan...
Oh, what is this? Wow, coilovers!
That's right, we're gonna be doing the fun stuff today, Nathan. Very exciting.
Coilovers, and we've got wheels. Are you ready for them? Are you ready? I'm not even gonna do a big reveal. I'm just gonna reveal it right now.
Just reveal it right now. Coilovers, new wheels, they're all going on the car today. And, well, we're just gonna get into it. The sun is out, the sun is shining, and Nathan's ready. I'm ready. Let's go. New daily video coming out on that soon. Skyline, what do you not love about that car? So good. That's the old rust bucket. That's just, we might fix that up actually. That's the quad bike. Really fun, really fun. But this is gonna go to the floor. Dude, yes. Yeah? So now we're on our way to Auto Stance. We're gonna go and pick up some copper grease to put on the coilovers just to stop it from seizing up in the future. Just a nice little handy tip. And we thought we'd do that while the coilovers are out of the car. So we're gonna do that now and maybe even stop for a coffee as well. So
Or we could make a coffee.
Make a coffee?
We could make a coffee.
Now these are the coilovers that we will be putting into the S14. These are Neotech coilovers, and they have adjustable camber plates at the top for the front. For the back we'll be using camber arms to be doing the back, but we'll be putting those in later. These collars were seized and well, we just couldn't get them loose, so to prevent that from happening again, we're going to strip these and apply some copper grease. And that would prevent that from happening later on if we want to do a height adjustment. But I got these real cheap and I'm really excited to be putting these in and get this S14 on the floor. I'm so excited.
Let's slam it!
Come on!
Let's slam it! You need the big mama.
Big mama!
Oh, bro! That was simple.
So simple. We're really milking this gun, Nathan.
Taking these shocks out is pretty easy, isn't it, mate?
Japanese, bro.
Japanese.
Do you want to put one of these onto the top? No.
You just gotta use Jeremy, mate. Just gotta...
Damaging the fridge, Nathan.
Oh, sorry. It's a drift car though, bro.
It is, bro. It is. It's fine.
There it is. Out she comes. Whoa, left.
Yuck. So good, Nathan. So good.
Oh, they look so good in there, bro.
I know, right? So awesome.
So much better. And the red collars on the coilovers match the red collars on your gloves, mate. Give us a look at your hand real quick. Just give us
Wait, the jack is red.
Wow. The black and red theme. Wow, the black and red theme going on here is just all a bit too much. Black and red. Black and red. Black and red. Black and red.
Alright, I think the front's done. Now this is back.
Black and red. Black and red. Sponsor me, DJI, please. Oh, no way! It's black and red. You gotta be kidding me. It's black and red. Hey, bro.
So, man.
Do you know what colour that toolbox is you got there?
Green and red.
Huh? It's black and red. Oh, yeah. It's black and red. Oh, my goodness! It's cat vomit.
Nathan, one thing I love about S14s, Datsuns, any Nissan, any Japanese car from the 90s is that everything just bolts up, bolts out, bolts back up again so easily. Nathan, the front of the S14 is all done. 5 bolts on the left, 5 bolts on the right, and it's all done.
It is true, it is true. I admit, this install has been really easy. Let's be honest, it depends, you know, because a few years ago when we worked on these cars, this would have taken us like the whole day, quite easily, because we didn't know what we're doing. But it is definitely what you get used to. However, I do agree that majority of Japanese cars are easier to work on than European cars. However, I still love European cars. BMW, I love it. I just can't get enough of them, sorry.
And I own an Audi as a daily, so no complaints there. But we're going to be moving on to the back now, get these in and get the wheels on, maybe do a height adjustment if needed, and go from there. So I'm excited. Nathan, are you excited?
It's going to look so sick. I cannot wait. We're going to slam it. Finally, it's not going to look like a monster truck. Finally. I can just picture the Japanese man who built this car, and he's like, one day, this is going to be a drift car. And we've been entrusted with that responsibility.
We have.
And we take that responsibility wholeheartedly, and we will do the finest job that we can on making a budget drift car. The tire that I'm sitting on is currently slipping out from under me. But it held on. What are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to get in the car, Nathan. I'm trying to undo the red shocks.
As you can see, JD is in the back of the car, and the top bolts for the shock are underneath the parcel tray. There's only 2, but she's a little bit hard to get to, eh, Mike?
Can you pass me a 12 mil, please?
12 mil, alright, mate.
Oh, thank you, Nathan.
You're welcome.
Nice, thank you, bro.
I've just heard some cheers of joy from the back seat of the Silvia, so it sounds like JD is successfully removing the old shock absorbers, and we're about to put in... Oh,
Can you grab my hand, please?
Why?
Please.
What's wrong with you?
Help me.
Can you not get out yourself?
No.
Why? What's going on? Oh, it's a drift car. That's why. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'll help you, bro. Oh, it's so bright.
Nathan, do you reckon it will, these coilovers will go low compared to like the factory ones?
Yeah, that's quite a bit. I think it will. That's obviously going to compress a bit, but mate, I don't even know if we're going to be able to get it out the driveway.
We should go get butter chicken.
No, we do not eat until the car is slammed. Now that is how you mount a front bumper.
As initial thoughts, the front looks like it's gonna work, but I think the back might need a little bit more adjusting.
That's almost on the floor.
Oh well, that looks pretty cool. Nathan doing all the hard work. Nathan, how you feeling?
Good, mate. I just can't wait to see this thing slam to the ground.
We've got one more to go, bro, and then the wheels can go on.
Ooh. Hey bro, what happened to your door?
Well, I wasn't happy with it, Nathan, so I sanded it back and I'm gonna paint it one more time.
Yeah, I like how you said you're gonna paint it.
The suspension is in, everything's nice and tight. Before we put the wheels on, we're just gonna go over the calipers with this Scotch-Brite and some black paint, and then put the wheels on and see what it looks like. I think it might need a height adjustment, Nathan.
Yeah, I think it might do, especially in the back end there. Now is the moment that we've all been waiting for.
Let's go, Nathan. See what these look like, man.
The wheel time. Here it is. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, bro. Oh, bro.
Well, Nathan, it's not the perfect S14, but those wheels, although they're replicas, are pretty cool.
Bro, they look amazing. Let's get the fronts on. Oh my goodness. As you can see, the car is, well, pretty much on the ground. We still got a couple of blocks holding it because it's pretty low. But JD reckons the back is good, but the front, well, there's a bit of wheel gap there, so we're gonna try to fill that up and lower those a little bit. It is so low, like so low. That's mean. We just got the car off the blocks. Here we have a look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool from literally every angle.
And there it is. How amazing does that look, Nathan?
It looks so good.
I cannot believe what we have done today.
It's almost as good as this milk tea that I got here. Seriously, guys, you got to get on it. It is so yum.
Not sponsored.
Mine Shine Claylon milk tea. It's the goods.
Nathan, there's something really special about Silvias that are slammed and wide. There's something that just, wow. I cannot believe it, Nathan.
It looks incredible. And let's be honest, we know we've talked about it before. We didn't do the greatest job of the paint on this car. However, we think, you know, with a few touch-ups here and there, it's going to look amazing. And already, like, what the heck? Like, I honestly cannot think of a better.
The wheels.
The wheels are so good. Wow. No, they're not genuine RPF ones, but man, they look
From
good.
the day we got the S14, we agreed that those are going to be the style wheels that we're going to go for, and I am happy that we did not change our mind.
It looks so good.
Nathan, this is not where we are going to be leaving the S14.
No, absolutely
There's
not.
still a whole lot more to happen on the Silvia. So once this car has done hits cam belt or fan belt or whatever it is,
whatever that car is making noises going past. He looked at me, he's like, what are you doing? And I'm looking at him like, what are you doing?
Make sure you check out all our other videos and stay tuned for some more videos to come.
Follow us on Instagram, hit that sub button, and we will see you in the next one.
Peace out.
Seriously though, try this milk tea. It's really good. I don't know if you